Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to find C-Ledger. Start by locating the account name in your chart, then open the subsidiary records or digital ledger view, filter by date range, and match each transaction to supporting documents like invoices and receipts. Reconcile running totals to the general ledger and note any discrepancies for review. Keep organized notes and mark where source documents are filed for quick retrieval later. In this video, I will show how to find C-Ledger. Open your accounting software, use search and filters to isolate the account, and apply the exact date range needed. Export the results to CSV or PDF for offline comparison, and use spreadsheet functions to sum and verify totals. Check the audit trail to confirm posting history, and note any manual adjustments for investigation. Save a copy with the retrieval date for documentation. In this video, I will show how to find C-Ledger. Begin by sorting physical files by account and date, then pull invoices and receipts that correspond to the ledger entries. Cross-check each ledger line against bank statements or deposit slips and highlight any unmatched items for follow-up. Create a digital backup by scanning pages and tagging files so you can search quickly, and store originals in a labeled, secure location for audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.